Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for the weekend, November 23rd and November 24th, 2013. And we're going to start off here with Saturday here. We have a Arctic cold front that's going to be moving through here Saturday evening, and then the overnight hours of winds are going to shift to the northwest here, and it's going to get quite blustery Saturday night and Sunday. Be very cold too behind this Arctic front. Temperatures will be struggling out of the 20s in many locations, and they'll probably be from a line that goes right from Harrisburg to Lehigh Valley over to just northwest of Newark. We'll probably stay in the 20s northwest of here, and then struggling to get to freezing down here by Philadelphia and southern New Jersey. So it's going to be a very cold weekend with these winds blowing through here. It also could have some snow showers, especially across our northern areas. We move to the high-res NAM here, and this is actually taking a look at Saturday afternoon, and you can clearly see here this is with the front itself. Some snow showers are moving to the southeast across the lakes. Now, there's not a lot of this with it, but there are some making it across to northeastern PA, and then eventually dying out as it gets down to east central PA. So I would not be surprised to see some snow showers, especially across our northern areas here, and some snow flurries making it a little bit further south on during your evening hours on Saturday. But then most of this activity will just die out as it moves southeast here. Lake effect snows will continue here in western PA, and of course downwind of Lake Ontario in near the Finger Lakes region and Syracuse, and usually places that get the lake effect up here in New York. They'll get hammered actually in a couple places where there's lake effect bands set up. Heading back to the GFS, and this is a look at we get into Tuesday, late Tuesday. We have a system that's going to be affecting the area. Pretty confident there's going to be a pretty powerful system here, but we just don't. We're not certain on track yet. The latest trends have been taking this a little bit further inland before. We're talking about a system that was going to kind of set up out here over Hatteras, and we didn't know where it was going to go from there. Some models had it going out like this. I think that's probably out of the question now. And another one's had it going kind of right over the benchmark here, and then heading up into New England and doing one of these numbers, and that would have brought significant snow across the interior here, and significant we mean greater than 6 inches. We were looking at that for a couple days there, but the latest trends here now, put that X here back on Hatteras here, latest trends are now taking this, instead of being here, it's being more over eastern North Carolina, and then taking a path that's kind of like right over the mouth of the Chesapeake and right over Delaware, South Jersey, right near the coast. Okay, and since it's taking this kind of a track on the latest runs, we would have a situation where we might start off as snow, northwest of I-95 here. Of course, I-95 runs something like this. So anything northwest of there, maybe 10, 20 miles northwest of there and beyond, would have accumulating snow to start at least, and then changing over to rain as this system pushes closer. I'm going to show you the Canadian model real quick, because it has a good representation of this. For areas in southeastern PA down towards Philadelphia and South Jersey, it would start and end as rain, at least on the Canadian model here. But you can see there's these blues here showing up across east central PA, northeast PA, northern New Jersey, and of course back in central PA. And as you go forward in time, you can see that it is coming down to snow for a pretty good thump here, but then you see what happens here. The warm air pushes northward as this low pressure that's sitting down here pushes towards the northeast, and that changes everything over to rain. The exception would be back here in central PA and northeastern PA in the higher elevations would hold on to it a little bit longer. But the Canadian is actually the furthest west with this, and actually takes this right over Delaware here and right over New Jersey itself. So because it's doing that, you have a lot of warm air advection that would be involved in that, and would change it over to rain. A cold rain, but rain nonetheless. So we'll be monitoring that this weekend, and please check the Facebook page for rapid updates, as this video will not be updated again until Sunday night, and hopefully by then we have a better handle on the situation. But these model solutions are likely to change over the next 48 hours or so. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for the weekend, November 23rd and November 24th, 2013. Have a great one.